tell me something about you in brief again, so that I can understand you more
Okay.
about your capability in a
Okay.
lengthy mode, but in the brief mode.
Okay, so I'm Fatima Bohara, currently studying in Gitanjali Institute of Technical Studies, pursuing B.Tech in Computer Science and Engineering. And my strong interested areas are data structure and algorithms, web designing, web development, and emerging technologies like artificial intelligence. Throughout my entire course, I have done multiple projects like Zero Hunger, a platform where we built a website to contribute for hungry and poor people. Developed a project like Farm Health, which is an IoT-based project which is implemented in a field to notify the farmer about any mishappening or abnormality about the field. Also, have built a project at Q. It's a appointment booking website where people can come and book their appointment of salon. Also, I'm very much consistent on Geek Code. I solve problems daily, each and every day, and I participate in coding contests on Coding Ninjas, Code Studios, and various coding platforms. Along with this, I have participated in hackathons, ideathons, and MSME pitch battle. While working with these events, I have got to realize that I have developed my communication skills as well as my teamwork. I've also cracked 3 internships in past 6 months, one from WebNX, WebSenor, and IBM Skills Build. I have completed my internship from IBM Skill Builds in front-end web development. I'm a front-end web developer, currently working on my back-end skills to be a full-stack web developer soon.
So you participated in hackathon and these kind of competitions, right? You have told about MSME
Yes,
also.
sir.
So
Yes, sir.
what kind of benefits you have received out of this whole competition? What you have participated?
So I've got to know people more. I've learned how to interact with people, how to do networking. I've met with multiple people there, and also I've gained confidence after going to such events. Also, have attended a third TQM summit, which was held in Udaipur, UCCI. After going there, I've definitely met with so many new people where I learned that how industry works. And I got the experience that what industry needs. We have been taught the theoretical things, but when I went there, I got to know about the practical things.
Yeah, you have told about you have worked in the artificial intelligence also.
Because I'm currently learning artificial intelligence. It's not my core branch, still I'm learning on it.
Okay, so what is the difference between computer science and the computer science artificial intelligence? Is there any kind of difference in both the part?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There are multiple things that artificial intelligence are included. For example, we are as a CSE student, we are not being taught about blockchain and the fundamental of blockchain. We are not taught about data analytics, and we are not taught how to handle data. But as an AI student, all these things are taught.
Okay. What do you want to become? In which field you want to go?
So I want to be a modern full stack developer.
Learn full stack developer. So you should have a knowledge of front end and back end both.
Yes, sir. I'm currently working on backend. I have completed my front end, and all my projects are based on front end.
So out of those, both the
Those
front end and back end, which is slightly tough.
So I think backend is more difficult. I don't think it's difficult, but working with backend is more critical
Why?
because backend contains all the data and it handles the queries, everything. So like front end is the user interface. The user might see anything, but whatever happening in backend is more important.
You have made any project?
Yes, sir. I have made 3 projects. One was Farm Health. It was an IoT based project, which gave me the learning about new technologies like Arduino, Raspberry, sensors. The another project that I built was a Zero Hunger website, where I created a website in which people can come and contribute money for hungry and poor people. And the third website that I built was a booking appointment, like an appointment booking website where men can come and book their appointment of the salon.
Okay. So what do you feel? What is the future of AI?
So AI is going to like take everything on. So AI is like something which is very much ahead of us, which is very much ahead of human thinking. Whatever work that human is doing in 5 minutes, AI is going to take a second and change it. I'm currently working in AI so that I can be an AI developer, like an AI engineer.
Okay. So, for example, somebody is a programmer and AI has developed at a good level. So, these kind of programming skills will be replaced by the AI people.
No, sir. Since we are reading so many articles about this, I have also read so many articles and I've concluded that AI is not going to replace human. It is just going to increase the work efficiency of human.
Okay. But the programming, whatever we do in backend and front end, that can be done by AI. So,
But so
what is the
the
role of
idea is
programmer
generated
in
by
any
a human.
organization?
But so the idea and the structure is developed by a programmer.
So, after some time, the programmer has no need to do the programming kind of things.
So the testing has to be done by a human. And also, AI cannot replace human. Obviously, it can do better things, but I don't think it will replace developers.
Okay. Okay, Fatima, nice talking to you. You
Thank you
seems
so much.
slightly better candidate, right? Have some exposure projects also, working on the full stack, working on AI as well, which is the need of an hour. So everything seems good. So focus on your skills, improve your knowledge.
Okay, sir.
So,
Good
Fatima,
afternoon,
tell
sir.
me, good afternoon. So, I heard you want to become a full stack developer as a part of your campus interviews, right? Right. So, tell me, why
Yes, sir.
should any company hire you versus so many other candidates in the campus as a full stack developer?
So I think a company should hire me because I'm an enthusiastic learner and a programmer. As along with this, I have the
Give
whatever
me,
project
give
that I
me
have
one,
mentioned.
give me one most important reason.
So because I have the knowledge and the curiosity to learn new things. So I'm not somebody like who is done with the knowledge and won't grasp anything else. I will implement my knowledge as well as I'll listen to the organization and I'll fulfill their requirements according to their needs.
Right. So you say you have knowledge and you can implement them. So what have you done in the area of full stack development? Have you done a real life project?
So I haven't done any real life projects, but I have done two projects, which is the websites that I have developed. The one website that I have developed is named as Cut Queue. It's basically a appointment booking website in which anybody can come, the user can come and choose the time slots according to their comfort and choose whatever services they want to get right now, and they can go to the salon according to their time and comfort.
So who was the customer, your customer for this project?
So
Who
our
asked you to
actual
develop
customer
this
are the
project?
So I myself developed the project, and the customer that I am looking for are the barber. Actually, the barber and the men. They are my
So,
customer.
so how many users are using this website right now?
No, sir. Actually, right now I'm collaborating with the barber who want to get this website.
So you are collaborating with a barber who wants to use this website, right?
Yes, sir. I'm talking to multiple barbers right now
Okay. So you
because
develop
it.
without, did you talk to the barbers before you develop the website or you are talking
Yes,
now?
sir. No, no, sir. I already talked to them before I developed this website because I think that before making anything, we need to understand the problem first.
So what was the main problem?
So the
That
main problem
you,
was that
yeah, go ahead.
so the
Sorry.
first problem. So first problem that men face is when they go for a haircut, they have to wait
Hmm.
for like hours. They have to wait. If the barber is not empty, they have to wait for a long time. And the second thing the barber are facing that when you go to a barber, the barber cannot showcase his skills. Like you cannot see what the barber can do to you. He cannot showcase whatever work he has done so far. So the website is something where a barber can showcase what he has done, like the kind of styles he has done. He can put it on the website, and after seeing those websites, a customer or a user can see the work of the barber, and then he can select according to their needs.
So fine, that's fine. So how many? So have you tested your website?
Yes, sir.
What test have you done?
Sir, I have built the framework. I have built the entire framework, and the only thing that is remaining is actually the barber's consent, actually their time slot.
No. So
Like the
what
tenant is
test have you done to
important.
see whether this website is working fine?
No, no such test, but I have registered myself and I have asked my friends to register. I have asked them to test the website, like if it is working correctly or if it is
So
fulfilling the requirements and all.
So how do you know this is a good website? This might be just simple one piece of work which may not work at all.
Maybe I'm just trying my luck out.
अच्छा लक पे आपकी जिंदगी चलेगी क्या?
No, sir, definitely not.
If a software developer says I'm trying my luck out, then what is the point of logic? What is the point of programming? Programming and logic, does it work on luck?
So I have implemented all the logic and programming, whatever this takes. I have implemented all of this. Now, if it becomes popular, if people use it, user likes it or don't like it, it's something that I cannot say before people using it.
Why can't you?
Why can't you?
What
So
is the
maybe
first step in
something.
developing a software? You have defined the problem, right? So have you gone to
Yes, sir.
30, 40 people to see whether they are able to find this website useful?
So I have asked almost 15 people.
Yeah. My question is not how many have you asked. My question is have you gone to 30, 40 people and have they checked it and they find this working well?
Not yet, sir.
Not yet. So that's the missing link. So you think you have developed a website that will work well, and you'll be surprised when it doesn't work. There'll be 100 bugs that you will find that will come in. So you need to solve those in real life.
I know.
Right. So tell
Sir,
me,
I'm actually looking.
huh, tell me.
Sir, I'm actually looking for somebody who's more senior and who has worked more with the industry and can tell me what better I can do with my website. I'm actually looking for somebody like this.
So when you develop a new software, would you always go to a senior?
No, sir.
Then why wait for a senior? Why not go to the customers? One, two, three, four, five, and tell them this is what it can do and see whether this works for you. Have you heard of user acceptance test?
Yes, sir.
What is UAT?
So UAT is actually like when you go to the customer and when the user accepts it and gives a feedback about how it works.
So isn't that one of the most important things when you develop a software?
Yes, sir, it is.
Okay, good. So how would you rate yourself on a scale of 0 to 10 on being ready to be a full stack developer?
I think seven, sir.
Why 7?
Because since I'm not experienced yet, I really think that the knowledge I have is the theoretical knowledge, and to implement this knowledge, I really need an organization, a proper organization where I can utilize my knowledge.
So let's split this way. Let's give 5 marks to the skill skill of developing a full stack and 5 marks to your knowledge. So how many marks would you give on the knowledge side? Have you acquired all the knowledge in the back end side?
No, sir, not yet. I'm currently working on it.
So how many? If you were to What percentage of backend process have you learned?
So if I have to rate myself as a full stack engineer on a scale of 5, I would give 3. And as a backend engineer, I would give 1 or 2.
1 out of 5.
Yes, sir. 2 out of 5.
It's 2 out
Between
of it.
1
So
and
you learned 40%, right? 40% of the knowledge. So
yes, sir.
you can get 1 or 2. So in the knowledge side and on the front end, how well would you rate yourself? Do you have all the knowledge required to build a front end?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So out of 5, let's say 2.5 goes so 3.5, let's put it this way, right? And on the
Okay, sir.
skill side, how much
Yes.
on the out of 5, how much do you think you should get? Because you have done no work on the back end side. Front end side, you have done work, but that is also half, right? Roughly.
No, sir. At front end side, I am complete from my side.
No, you are not complete. Unless you do UAT, your product is not complete.
Okay, sir. So I'll do it as soon as possible now.
Yeah. So you still have there are so many tests that you need to do. You need to check integration testing. You need to check functional test. You need to do UAT. So all the tests you need to perform and see whether your website is functioning as well as it
Yes, sir.
should. So so my sense is if you look at all that, max you will get is about 5 out of 10. So you're halfway ready right now. Right? And
Okay.
you know now what you need to do further, right?
Yes, sir.
To get to 7 or 8. So good, Fatima, good talking to you. Few good things about you are one, that you have good communication skills, you can speak with confidence, you are able to accept and explain what you've done, you are also able to accept what you have not done, and that should be good for you.
Good. So it was your nice conversation with both Arun sir and Arvind sir, right?
Yes, sir.
So, I generally only will check about your technical skills, right? So why should we hire Fatima as a software developer or a full stack developer?
So since I have done projects after understanding the problem of user and also have worked with the multiple people as a team, I have a good communication and good team. I basically consider myself good in teamwork.
So, the major work of software developer at the entry level is to develop the teamwork or to deliver the technical knowledge.
Sorry, sir.
For the software developer at entry level position, the main task of her or him is to deliver the technical knowledge or to make the teams and work the teamwork.
So deliver the technical knowledge.
So first, you have to, when I'm asking about for the software developer, you have to more emphasis on your technical skills, right?
Okay.
Okay, in which language you are feeling more comfortable, C, C++ or Java,
So C++.
C++? What is data encapsulation?
So data encapsulation is hiding information, like showing only the important information. And basically encapsulating means bounding both data members and functions in one place.
So say, Fatima, these both definitions are different. Hiding the data is different, and mixing up data with the function is different. The
Yes,
first
sir.
one is data abstraction, not data encapsulation.
Yes, sir. I'm so sorry, I got confused. I'm really sorry. First was data abstraction, and second, that binding data member with member function is data encapsulation.
So how will you achieve data encapsulation in the OOPS?
Sorry?
How you will achieve data encapsulation in the object-oriented programming language?
So by binding the data into a class where it is
Huh?
well functioned and structured.
Sorry, please, can you repeat?
Sir, binding data members and functions into a class.
There is class 1, right, and class 2, right?
Yes,
I
sir.
want to access class 1's data member and function with the object of class 2's data, class 2.
So
So how
I'll do
can
inheritance.
वही तो कह रहा हूँ, inheritance is not allowed. Inheritance हो गया तो there is no problem.
Okay,
Now the question
abstract.
is clear. Now question
Yes,
is
sir,
clear.
now I got the question. Yes, sir. So by making it as an abstract class,
Abstract तो again will hurdle you not to act.
I don't know, sir. I
Might
cannot
be
think
you
of
have,
anything right now.
might be you have heard about friend class.
Sorry, sir.
Might be you have heard friend class and friend function,
Friend, yes, sir. Friend class and friend function. Okay, yeah.
right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What are the different types of overloading possible in the C++?
So function overloading, operator overloading,
Function overloading and operator
operator
overloading.
overloading.
One is still missing.
So I know two of them, function and operator. Another is function overriding.
Function overriding and function overloading is both are the same or different?
Yeah, no, so they're different.
So then
So I know two of them, function overloading and operator overloading.
third one is constructor overloading.
Okay, yeah, constructor overloading.
And these all three comes in the static polymorphism, right?
Yes, sir, polymorphism.
Static polymorphism. All these three resides in the static polymorphism.
Sorry.
So what is virtual function?
So virtual function, when you inherit a class into another class, and when you define a function into the base class, and you
हाँ
don't want
I
to
am
use,
hearing. हाँ आप बोल तो दो
but
बेटा.
when you don't want to use it, but you want to use the function of the derived class.
Function of derived class.
Derived class.
So suppose parent class is there, child class is there. Parent has been derived in the child class. You will make the object of the child class. So by default, the function of the derived class will only work.
But sir, if the implement or the declaration and the definitions are same, then this will be called the function of the derived class.
Function of derived class will by default called. Without using virtual function also, if I will derive parent class into child class, then if I made definitely we will make the object of child class. And the child class objects will use only and only child class members.
And
Right? So where is the need of virtual function?
so far I've studied the that virtual functions are made in derived class to be called by the object host.
Suppose we from the same object, I want to call the parent class member function and child class function. Then I will use the virtual function.
Virtual class. Okay.
So if my aim is to only use the child class, then I have a better option to make the object of child class. If I want to use only the parents class, then it is better option to make the object of parent class. But with the help of the same object, I want to call both of them, then only we will use the virtual function.
Okay.
And you have said that the function
sir.
overridden is part of dynamic polymorphism. What is function overloading or function overridden?
So function overriding is when the names of the functions are same, but the definitions are different.
Name are the same definition of the different. It will not matter anything if the definition is different.
Sorry, sir?
It will not matter us if the definition is different.
No, sir. So basically, what function overriding is, how much as I know, as far as I know, this allows the functions of same name, similar names, it differentiates them in some manner. Like we can use
Sorry.
one,
Fatima, sorry. Differentiate after what you said, the differentiate on basis of
the definitions. So like it allows the child to use its own implementation.
definition के base पे you
If
cannot
I have
different
made
on the basis of definition you cannot differentiate the functions. Functions are generally differentiated basis on the function name, parameter, argument list,
and
and
return
return
type
type. Right?
and return types.
Only basis on these three parameters you can differentiate the function. The definition
Yes,
is
sir.
nowhere. And function return overridden comes only and only when we inherit a class in another class where
Into
both
and
class
right,
having the same function name, same return type, and same parameter list.
same arguments. Yes, sir.
Right? So you cannot never differentiate these two functions that ये क्या करेगा ये क्या करेगा. Definition is that वो क्या करने वाला है. So it's good. फातिमा थोड़ा सा अभी और पॉलिश करने की जरूरत है basic concepts. है ना?
Yes, sir. Actually,
Because
I haven't started it since so far. Sir.
because in any of the companies if you say the oops उनको यही चाहिए होता है कि student should be good in the oops. है ना? It is not a matter that
Okay, sir.
oops should be known through C++ only. C++ either through Java, either through Python.
Yes, sir.
Right? So कर लोगे I know.